How's it going, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of the motor swap. Today I am gonna start disassembling the motor and we're gonna pull it out today. First thing first, we are gonna pull the fuel fuse and start the motor, so when I take the fuel lines off it won't be full of fuel. Alright, so these are a little different than 240s, so I need to check on here. Third one down from the right, 15 amp. Pull that. Put that on the ground so I don't forget. And goes this way. Look at that. Alright, so one issue that I'm having is the battery does not stay charged. Oh, hood fell. We should probably take that off. The battery won't stay charged, so I need to grab my other battery or Aaron's and jump it so I can start this thing. Alright, so instead of jumping, I'm just gonna take this battery out and use Aaron's since mine's still at home. Why? Just because I haven't brought it here. Alright, now we can start it. Alright, so the hood seems to be a problem because it just fell on my head, but Aaron should be here shortly and we'll pull it off when he gets here because this thing is heavy. We replaced one of the shocks and it kind of works, obviously, but we definitely need both when we put it back together. But I mean, that's not the priority. I think first we need to get all this plastic off so I can get the fan shroud out and the fan. So the shroud looks like it only has 2 screws right here. God damn it, I need a stubby. Alright, so I have to get the fan out too. Alright, that's out. Opens up the engine bay a little bit more. I can start draining the fluid out of the radiator, take off the intake, and see what I need to do next. Alright, so the intake is off, radiator's drained as much as it will. So Aaron just got here and we're gonna pull this hood off so it doesn't fall on me again.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Small little update. I got the rest of the intake system out. I got these plastic covers off so then I can get to the wiring. Took the upper radiator hose off because I had to in order to get this plastic cover off. I'm just working to pull the harness right now. So it's a little bit of a bitch without breaking clips. Gotta move this harness out. It's all crusty because it just likes to form where it was. But I have everything disconnected for the radiator, the tranny cooler lines, and the radiator hoses. So just gotta do these brackets. Wow, really? It's out. It's out. Out.
Take it outside. Take it outside.
I'm
Dude,
trying.
there's nasty shit in there.
I think I saw Aaron taking a clip of me standing on the intake because I noticed the harness went to the back and I can't reach it. I mean, obviously. But it actually goes onto the firewall, and there's a cover on it. And there's nothing back there that plugs in except for a few plugs, which I got. And we just need to drain the oil, drain the transmission, undo the mounts, and it should be pretty much ready to come out. Alright, so I drained the fluids out of the car. I also undid the alternator, or not the alternator, the fucking AC pump, because we're just gonna try to leave that off to the side and leave it in the car instead of off-gassing the AC stuff. But what I didn't realize is exhaust. Yep, so I sprayed some WD-40 on the bolts and waiting for them to soak in so I can remove those bolts or nuts, whatever they are. All right, well, Aaron's great idea is to cut the exhaust with the Sawzall, since we're not reusing the exhaust at all. So I'm gonna get under there with the Sawzall and cut these off.
And since Michael can't loosen them, he's been fighting them for like 25 minutes, and we're still dying.
Yeah. All right, as Aaron is bringing over this cherry picker, it is time to pull this motor. I'm so stoked. All the mounts are out and all the miscellaneous stuff, but it will probably catch on stuff like it always does. So we'll start cinching it up, see what we need to pull it, and it should come out.
6.5 hours later.
Clear everywhere else?
Yeah, except for here, that's it.
No, yeah, like as far as we're not pulling anything along with this.
As far as I can see, no. Alright, so a lot happened. Sorry I didn't film. Camera died. Our hands were dirty. Yeah.
I've already like kind of cleaned up.
Yeah, I cleaned. But as you can see, the engine is on the engine stand. We are going to go through it next time. So with this 240 build, or my 240 build, we're going to kind of do 2 video segments at the same time, which is my build and then showing people how to do this swap. So I really want, like I said in the beginning of our YouTube channel, you know, it was a good thing, you know, Aaron got me into this because I really wanted to document my build, and what a great way to do it is YouTube. So build for one of the segments, 2 is going to be showing how to do this swap. So look forward to both of those, whichever one you're more interested in. So we'll catch you next time. Peace. Like shine behind me though. Oh, those clips came out.
Yeah.
Oh, Aaron almost hit me in the head.